Okay, before we actually move on to creating the rest of our weight maps, I'm going to go ahead and take care of this business of mirroring the maps from one side of the character to the other. And actually this is a good place to do this because really, because of symmetry in our skeleton, we have our right side and our left side. We need to have the weight maps on each relative side of the character. But once we get to the actual center spine and the head, we only need one weight map per bone. And I think this is just a good point to do it. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. The first is the less efficient way, which is using just the default tools in Modeler. And the second way is actually using a plugin, which you can freely download off the web, and actually I found that it works pretty well. So the first way we're going to do it is we're going to take advantage of a new menu, which you'll find if you go into Modeler, Windows, Vertex Map. And in this particular menu, you'll see that you can actually get a listing of your weights, morphs, textures, vertex colors, and point sets. So if we open this up, we'll see all of the weight maps that we've created up to this point, and the advantage here is that we have just a list that we can easily select any weight map and see what it corresponds to on our character. Well, so how are we gonna take advantage of this? First thing we'll do is actually, let's minimize that for a second. I'm going to go into the back viewport, and I'm going to grab my volume selection, and on the left side of the character, I'm going to select everything on the negative x-axis. Just by quickly selecting this, making sure that I'm not crossing over any points that are to the right of the x-axis. Okay, and then with that, I'm just going to go ahead and delete. Go into point selection mode, and select all these points here on the axis,